Hi, my name is Eric, and this is an introduction to VDEC, your web hosting control panel. VDEC provides you with a comprehensive set of tools for managing your hosting account. And upon accessing VDEC, you'll see that the tools are arranged in categories: website, email, domain, e-commerce, scripting and add-ons, marketing services, and account information. Each tool is accessible via the top navigation and the home page. Plus, each tool is accessible within a single click. You can also access helpful links including FAQs, tutorials, as well as browse our knowledge base consistently throughout the control panel. Our Quick Start wizard will guide you through the most important tasks, including adding a domain name, creating a mailbox, and selecting your site editor. The System Settings widget is there to provide you with the key details, important URLs regarding your account, including name server, website IP, your FTP path, your mail servers, as well as key other settings information designed to make your website successful. If you need help at any time, contact us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, via toll-free phone support, online ticketing system, or through a chat agent. Thanks for watching.